So yes, I am sharing my screen. If anything is not visible, just tell me. Is it visible, this PDF? Yes. Okay. So yes, this exam name is SAP Certified Data Engineer, SAP HANA. Okay. Exam ka name, this one is the exam name, Data Engineer, SAP HANA. Okay. I have already put it here one direct link. You can click on this link and you will receive this page, SAP Certified Data Engineer, SAP HANA page. Okay. There are two options. First one is the go to certification exam and second is a prepare for certification, right? The second part, prepare for certification, we have already completed courses, right, of data engineer. 2 or 3 courses are there and you have, I think you all have completed these courses. So no need to go for this. Okay. You can go to direct certification exam whenever you want to give exam. Okay. This is for exam steps. Then you have to click here. You will see this page. This is totally new for you because you have not given any practical exam up to now, right? In last exam, we have a easy exam compared to this. Okay, this is a pure practical exam. So for that, we have to schedule our slot for exam. Okay. So at that time, this is not a direct exam. You just click there and directly camera and mic will open and you have to speak something. This is not that type of exam. Here, everything is planned. Okay. So we have to schedule for exam. So these steps are for scheduling the exam. Okay. So what you have to do, first you have to click here, go to certification exam. Then this type of page will come. Okay. Then you have to scroll down. I think this page also you can see here something scenario based exam and system based exam. Our exam is system based exam right now. Okay. Previously we have a scenario based exam. You already know, right? AI based role play or a human based review or something. But right now our exam is changed. Okay. It's a system based exam. But nothing you have to click here. Just you have to click here continue button. Just click on that continue. I hope you all have a one attempt left in your subscription. Okay. For subscription, you can check from here, my learning, and then there is a one option subscription. Okay. And you will see this one attempt is left, right? Most of students have a one attempt pending. Okay, so you will be able to see this page. Here you can see clearly mentioned this exam is system-based assessment. It's not a scenario-based, okay? System-based means you have to work with system in your computer and you have to perform some practicals, not a scenario, role play or nothing, right? This is system-based exam, system-based assessment and hours are 3 hours. Now exam is changed with 3 hours. Previously, we have a 2 hours, but right now we have a 3 hours. Okay, exam name is CHMOD 2601. Okay, exam code hai. Okay, now you want to schedule a exam, right? So click here, scheduler slot. Okay, then you will see this type of page will come. Okay, in here you will see some dates are mentioned, right? 16 March, 17 March, 18 March, something. Right now, month is a May month. So 20 May, 21 May, 22 May. Okay, this you can see in your screen. Then you have to choose one date when you want to give exam, right? Like I want to give exam tomorrow, then I will choose 21 May. Okay, 21st May. उस पे click करो, then you will see some date you will see some time option is there. Okay, total 8 slots are there. First is 1:30 a.m., 4:30 a.m., 7:30 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. This is morning slot, right? morning slot. You already know, right? After 12 p.m. At night, 1:30 will start, right? So new date, new time will come. Okay. So you already know how to, what is this time format, right? You all are aware. So 1:30 a.m., 4:30 a.m., 7:30 a.m., 10:30 a.m. Or PM time like 1:30 p.m., 4:30, 7:30, 10:30. Okay, you can see here 3 hours gap is there, right? 1:30, 2:30, 3:30, 4:30. So new slot will be after 3 hours, 4:30. Then new slot is after 7:30. After 3 hours, 7:30, right? Then 3 hours, 10:30. Okay, three slots gaps are there, right? Three hours gap in each slot. Then click any other slot and then schedule a slot. Okay. Then you can see this type of message will come like today is 20 May and your time is like 7:30 or something like if I want to give after 2 hours then 7:30 p.m. Okay, then here you have to click confirm booking. Okay, so you are successfully scheduled a certification exam. This type of message will come and you will also receive mail. Okay, you have to join this exam according to your slot and time or date. Okay, see इधर एक मैसेज लिखा है check once. Check your inbox. Okay, we have sent a confirmation email with all the details. Okay, the exam will begin at your scheduled start time. Please join on time to make sure you have the full duration to complete your exam. Your attempt will remain unused if you are unable to join. Okay, if you are not joining with this time, like March 19, 1:30 p.m., if you are not joining, then your attempt will be unused. I mean, it will not used. Okay, so it will remain same. Your attempt will be not lost, right? Attempt will not lost. So this is thing. I hope this is clear. Is it done like a scheduling part? You got some idea how to schedule exam?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now exam scheduling is done, right? Exam schedule done. Now we want to give exam on the same date and time, right? So what is there here? You can see. You can see check here, check box. Click here and start certification exam. It will visible at same time, not any 1 minute ahead or not after that, right? So same time you can see this button will come. Start certification exam. Then उस पे click करो. Then this will come system based assessment 3 hours. You have to click here. So it will automatically show blue color. Okay, some light blue color will be visible. If you like select a mouse here or something, you just have to click here. Okay, once you will click there, you will receive two things. Okay, first is your group number. Group number is your exam number. You can see here my group number is a 940. Okay, and in exam you have to put 4-digit number, not 3-digit, but in group number there you can see 3-digit number. How we can deal with this? If group number is 3-digit, right, and in exam we have to put 4-digit, how we can manage? 940 as it is, how we can manage? We can put 0 ahead, right? 0940. Okay, so obviously 0940 is the 940 only, right? Same way, right? If you will receive 2-digit number, then 00. You have to put first 00 and then your digit according to bank details, right? Bank में हम करते हैं सब thing, right? First 0940, so automatically it will convert into 4-digit, right? So this way you have to do. So this number is important. So not if you are noting something, if you are making some note, then make here group number is important. Okay, first thing. Then in In same page, you will receive two things. First is exam PDF, right? Task PDF, and second is zip file. Okay, zip file for data set. Okay, one PDF, one data set you will receive from here. Okay, here download option will come, and you have to download this thing. Then you have to click here, access practice system. Okay, याद रखना एक्सेस प्रैक्टिस सिस्टम पे क्लिक करना है. यू हैव टू क्लिक हियर एक्सेस प्रैक्टिस सिस्टम, नॉट हियर कंफर्मेशन कंप्लीशन. इधर क्लिक करो. इफ यू आर क्लिकिंग हियर देन ऑटोमेटिकली योर एग्जाम विल बी क्लोज्ड. Okay, and your marks will be 0 because you have not submitted anything. This is for after the after 2.5 hours. Okay, if you completed your exam, then you have to click here confirm completion. These steps are after the exam, not before the exam. Okay, before the exam you have to click here access practice system. Okay, so this thing is done. Okay, similar type of simulation on our practice system. Okay, so no need to worry, we will practice everything before the exam, so this whole step will be easy for you. This will be not that much difficult. Right now you are facing some issue, but it's not difficult. Why? Because similar type of simulation you will find in practice system. So we will practice first, then we will give exam. Okay, so next thing, so how to practice everything, right? Whatever your exam or every all steps, whatever I have mentioned, how to practice. So you have to click here practice system. Okay, and then I hope this page you have a check many times, right? This type of page you can see. Here you will see subscription, how many subscription left. Here you can find your certification. Okay, even you have checked this also, my learning. Okay, and you have put it some screenshot in on LMS, right? So this platform you all know, right? But practice system is a new. Okay, so you have to click here practice system, and then you can see browse practice system, and you have to find here, like you have to put this thing, hands-on practice on SAP HANA Cloud Modeling. You have to paste here, and automatically this first option will come. Okay, but we will reduce our hard work. I have already directly put it this link here in this document, so directly you can check. Okay, so right now I am giving this link in chat box just for your reference. Don't perform anything right now because it will take time for you. Okay, for right now you have to uh, just check all options what I am telling to you. Okay, and make some notes if required. So here direct link is available, so you have to click here directly. Okay, okay, done up to now. It's clear. This is not an exam, this is just for practice. Okay, but practice platform is the same like an exam, no change. Okay, done. Give some thumbs up or anything, like if you not something right. Is it okay? Okay, nice. Okay, okay, good. See, you can see here direct link for practice system. So I have opened this link. Okay, see, this thing is visible on your screen also, but right now I am practicing everything. So check hands-on practice for SAP HANA Cloud Modeling. This is part of your course only. Okay, this is nothing new. this is part of course, but we have not performed any practice in our course. Right now we are doing, right? So this is not a new thing. Okay, this is part of your course only. So first you have to click here, enroll button. So click here, enroll. See, I have some other practice system running in my practice system. So I have to remove this practice system first. Otherwise, it will not work. Okay. So they are mentioning let's just remove one practice system. So yes, I am removing this one. Okay, because I already have a two practice system in my system. So yes, I have to remove this one. So I'm removing. Okay. So confirm. Okay, see, this is confirm for this hands-on practice for SAP HANA modeling. Okay, not for that. So close. Okay, here you can see practice system being prepared. So it will take 1-2 minutes. Okay. So this practice system is you can find in my learning also. Okay. Let me check my learning. Okay. So my learning pe click karo. Okay. You can see here. See in my learning, we can see two practice system is here. Right. This is my old one. Okay. This is for different course or exam. This is your practice system, SAP HANA Cloud Modeling. Okay. So every time you can open from here only. Okay. So this is another method. Here also you can find group number 7051. Even there also you can find, right? No issue. I am doing from here only. Okay. So I'm clicking here and this practice system is opened. Okay. Complete. Now, similar like exam, you will see these two options, access and remove. Okay. In exam, you will see access and confirm. Access exam and confirm submission or something, right? Here two options, access and remove, because we have to remove this thing if you, whenever you want, right? So here no confirmation or nothing, but access option is the same like a exam. Okay, in exam you will see here access practice system. Same option here, access. So I'm clicking here, access. See, two thing is given to me. Which one? First is a group number 7051 for me. You have a different group number. Okay, in your practice system, you will find different group number. For me, this is 7051. Okay, and this is setup guide. So you have to download this setup guide. Okay, so you can see here. Okay. Okay, setup guide I have downloaded, and this is exercise guide. So I'm downloading two things, exercise and setup thing. Hello, am I audible? Hello. Yes, yes. Okay. So you have to download two things. First is setup guide, and the second one is the exercise PDF. I think I have downloaded two things. Okay. So my group number is 7051. You have a different group number. You have to check whenever you will practice, right? So I am clicking here, access button. Okay. Just click there. Okay. In exam also, you will see this page. Okay. What you have to do, just copy this link. Okay. Control C and put in incognito mode or some private window, because it will not conflict with other learners output, right? So every time we will do in private window, right? So I am doing in private window. Let me this copy this, Control A, Control C. Okay. A new private window. Okay. This private window is open. Now Control V, enter. Okay. So everything we will do in incognito mode, not our platform, right? This is my SAP ID. Okay. And this is my password. Okay. Okay. To start your access in incognito mode. Okay. So you can check here. I have also here, but I have copied this thing and I have pasted in incognito mode. So this is totally new, like no cache memory, nothing is there, right? So a totally new thing. Okay. Now our exam task is running, right? This is in this platform is you can call SAP build lobby. Okay, here you can find SAP build and here you can find lobby. So this you can see SAP build lobby. In a task PDF, you will find one word's name is a SAP build lobby. So this is your SAP build lobby. Okay, here there is a product. Okay, 3 dot 9 dot. I mean, you can say 9 dot. Okay, so you have to click here on 9 dot. Okay. See, whatever I am telling to you, it's already mentioned in practice system. Okay. I am nothing telling to new. Okay. I am also performing from practice system, but I have a practice lot, so I know how to perform. Okay. So same way you have to practice at least 2-3 times. So whenever you have exam, you will perform is directly without any more reading. Okay, without reading. See, where it's mentioned, I am telling to you, right? Wait. Okay, here you can see, in practice system, you will see this thing here. Check. Okay, see, on SAP Build Lobby, on top right, on your screen, choose this product switch. Right, this is my practice system exercise, which I have downloaded recently. Okay, then choose dev space manager, they do this, something is mentioned, everything here. Okay, but I know, so I am performing directly. What you have to choose this 9 dot. Okay, product switch, choose here. Then second option is SAP dev space manager. Okay, second option, so you have to choose this option. You can also note down everything, right, for your reference, because you are not doing anything, but you can this you can make a note, so it will be easy for you in exam. Okay, no need to do this video second time. So choose here dev space manager, so I'm clicking here dev space manager. Okay, I have already work one, so I'm deleting this. So I'm clicking fresh new one. Okay. I don't know why it's not opening in incognito. So I'm controlling Control C and I am opening here. Control V. Everything I will open here in incognito mode. Okay. So this type of page you can see. Okay. So you have to click here, create dev space. Click there. And now you have to put your space name, dev space name. Okay. For dev space name, you have to use your group number. Okay. Here you can find dev space name field, enter this. So I'm copying this thing. HCMOD, this one. Okay. Now, I hope you remember my seat number, right? Like 7051. Okay. Whenever I have downloaded that PDF at that time, you can see this is my group number. So I am replacing this number with 7051. In exam, you will see like something different number. Okay. So in exam, you have to replace with another number. Okay. Then from here, you have to choose this SAP HANA native application. Okay. And from here, you have to choose this. Same step, mechanical steps are here. These are mechanical step. Okay. Same step you have to do in exam. No change, nothing. Okay. So these are mechanical steps. So no need any mind or anything. This is not an exam. This is simple thing. So SAP HANA native application, SAP HANA performance tool, you have to choose from here. You can say this is SAP extensions. Okay, so this is SAP extension. This is native application. Now create dev space. So this thing will take at least 1-2 minutes. Okay, so you have to wait here. Here you have a 3 stage. First is a stop stage. Second is starting stage, and third is a running stage. So everything, whatever we are doing, it's all are including in running phase. Okay, not started or not stopped phase. We have to do all the our object or all the our application in running phase only. Otherwise, it will not save in exam also. Okay, it will not saved in your dev space. So whatever you are performing, it should be in running phase. Okay. Here you can find the button, right? This button is for stop. This is for delete. This is for download and something edit. Okay. Check. My stage now changed starting to running. So now everything will work in my system. So I have to click here HCMOD 7051. Automatically, whenever it will come run, then you can click here. Otherwise, it will showing some blur or you can't click here. Okay, but now this option will open. Okay, so click here. So this is your developing environment. Okay, you can see this is your application studio. What? Business application studio. Here you can see this is name. Can you check? You can see in URL. This is application studio. Okay, so this is your application studio. Now click here OK button. Okay, and here you can see the one message will come. Open CF login page. Don't close anything. Okay. If you couldn't find this type of message, just click here notification. Okay. Here you will see two new notifications. You have to click here. So automatically this notification will come. Okay. So here you have to click open CF login page. So click here. Okay. This is your Cloud Foundry endpoint. In authentication method credential or SSO passcode. We are not a SAP staff, so we have no credential. But if you are a SAP staff, then you have a credential. But for me, no credential. So what I have to click SSO passcode for you also. Okay, you have to click here SSO passcode. What is SSO passcode? Because here you have to put enter your SSO passcode. Then how we will get SSO passcode? So for that, you have to click here, open a new browser page to generate your SSO passcode. Okay, so you have to click here. So here they mention put some identity provider. Okay, so for that, you have to refer this PDF. Okay. Where is this identity provider? Okay. In setup guide, you will find this identity provider. There is a two PDF, right? One is exercise and one is for setup. So for setup, you will find this identity provider. Let me check. Where is? Yeah, here. Here you can see specify an identity provider. Here they have make by check mark. They have stop this thing or something. They have mentioned this. Don't choose this one. Choose नीचे वाला. Okay. A second. Choose second. Okay. So क्या करेंगे हम? Just copy paste this thing up to here. Control C. Okay. And paste here. Second wala. Okay. Control V. See, I have already performed something, so it's directly mentioned to me, choose this one. Because this is a common to all. But what is a change here? In exam, you will receive different platform or different this identity because this is exam and this is our practice system, right? Practice system and exam both are not same, just difference is here. You will receive different identity provider in exam time, at exam time. Okay. So this is for practice only. Sign in with alternative identity provider, click here. Okay, so temporary SSO passcode you will receive. Okay, so copy this passcode and paste here. Okay, so I have paste here. Then click on sign in button. Okay, so yes, everything is done. See, automatically they have mentioned some name for Cloud Foundry. Our Cloud Foundry organization name is SAP Practice System, right? SAP Cloud, HANA Cloud, this one. And Foundry space name is a dev space. So this is correct. You have to direct click on the apply button. In exam, here they have mentioned exam. In here same dev, and here you have to click apply. This will change this part SAP Practice System to SAP exam because Cloud Foundry point is a different. Okay, so according you will receive your target. Apply. Okay. Yes, the organization in space have been set. Okay, yeah, you have been signed into Cloud Foundry. Yes, done everything. Now, what is the next step? Okay, now it's done, I think. Okay, no issue. Something is, another message is coming. Now you have to open SAP Explorer. Okay, how to database Explorer. Okay, see, first just understand one thing. Our exam is a data engineer. Okay, so we have to work with data. What is this whole thing we are doing here? We will create some model. Okay, and we will check how our data is affect, right? So these two things we will do. So for model creation, this is application studio, and for database we have another platform. What is platform name? Database Explorer. This is application studio because we are creating application here, right? Whatever application, project, or everything you are creating here. Some dimension view, calculation view, star join, inner join, outer join, left join, right join, whatever database functionality you will complete here in application studio. And what is your output and your SQL query you will receive in database explorer. Okay, I hope two thing is clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Two thing is here. First is application studio. Okay, application studio. Okay, this is first platform. You have to work with two platforms. That's why I'm mentioning everything very detailed, because this first is Application Studio and second is Database Explorer. Database Explorer. ओके, एप्लीकेशन स्टूडियो, उसमें हम एप्लीकेशन क्रिएट करेंगे, और सेकेंड इज अ डेटाबेस एक्सप्लोरर जिसमें हम डेटा के साथ वर्क करेंगे, एसक्यूएल क्वेरी एंड एवरीथिंग. ओके, क्लियर? Two thing clear, application studio and database explorer. Okay, now I am opening first, then you will get some idea what is explorer or anything. So for this you have to click here three dot. Here you can see three dot, right? Okay, so check once this, what is this three dot. See, first is, see, this second is जैसा फाइल जैसा दिख रहा है वो, this second is explorer, third is a search, fourth is a source, fifth is a run and debug, five is extension, SAP HANA SQL Analyzer, okay, chat debug, git lens, okay, और extra आपको चाहिए तो Zul, okay, SAP Zul, SAP HANA Database Explorer, but we will not open this thing, SAP HANA Database Explorer. ये वाला open नहीं करना है. We have to open new fresh one. Okay, so choose view button, then command palette. Everything you can find from these three parallel line. You will see, you can check here, top left corner, right? These three parallel lines. Click here, file, edit, selection, view, go, run, terminal, help. Everything you can find from here. Okay. So what I am doing, I am clicking this view button, then command palette. Okay. Whenever, then you have to click here database. What you have to type? Database. So here you will receive some databases. दिख रहा है देखो, 1 2 3 4 5 all databases here. What you have to choose? This one, SAP HANA Open Database Explorer. Okay, so what you have to choose? Open Database Explorer. So click here, Open Database Explorer. Okay, ये दिख रहा है open. Now, second time you have to provide that identity. Okay, what you have to do? Copy the same identity in exam also. Not this one. In exam identity will be different, but two times you can use this identity. Once for Application Studio and one for this one, Explorer. Okay, so sign in with alternative identity provider. Click here. See, दिख रहा है SAP HANA Database Explorer. I hope you all know database management system, right? So ये SQL query का editor है. Okay. So I'm deleting this one. So you will not confuse with my previous remove database. I am removing old one. Okay. I will create a new fresh. Okay. So for that, you need to click here plus button. Okay. What we are doing right now, we are joining with a main database source, first thing. Okay. So for that, you need to choose SAP HANA database. Host name and port name is required. Okay. So for that, you have to check this document. Where is host name and port name? So yes, somewhere is mentioned. I have to check. Yeah, here you can see SAP HANA Cloud Database Instance, host name and port name. So copy this host name. In exam also you will receive some host name and port name, but it will be different from this. Okay. So host name put here, Control V. Port name is I think 443. So I am choosing 443. Then single sign on, you have to choose single sign on. Okay, here you have to choose this one and unselect this one. Okay, ऐसे होना चाहिए. Select बीच वाला select करना है और ये वाला remove करना है. I mean ये नहीं choose करना. Okay, unselect third one. Just choose second one, not first one, not third. Just second. Okay, now display name. For display name, you have to do this PDF, exercise PDF. Let me do once again. What is our display name? Okay, see, I have created this PDF for you, right? So everything you will find here also. Okay, how to group number, how to choose group number, how to download everything. This whole thing I have mentioned here for your understanding. Okay, so no need to refer this to PDF for exercise. You can directly do from here. Even I have mentioned all these steps, whatever I have performing. So let me check that name, right? Here, see, this is your display name, okay? So copy this display name. Either copy karo, control V. Now replace this 4-digit with your group number 7051. Okay? And click OK. Okay, so this main database is generated. Okay. Yeah. So now this thing is done. So let me check our database is working properly or not. So for that, yeah, you need to run this SQL command. What is SQL command? This is select session user from dummy, Control C. Okay, what you have to do? Click here, click first click on catalog. Where you have to click catalog. Okay, and you will receive this SQL button here, top left corner SQL. Okay, Control V. And click on this run button. Otherwise, click on F9. Okay, F9 also you can click. See, session user A7051. So this is working properly. Okay, so your exam task 1 is completed now. Okay, similar तरीके से करना है. You have to follow same step. Your exam task 1 is complete. Now we are doing exam task 2. In exam data set you have received directly, but here in practice system you have to download data set. Okay, so for download the resources, you have you can see some GitHub link is here. Okay, so click this GitHub link. Okay, and you will check this 3, 4, 5 files are there. So you have to choose this file HC3002410 course files. So click here and let me download these files from here. Download raw files. Okay, so I'm downloading. What you have to do now next? ये डाउनलोड दिख रहा है, उसको एक्सप्लोर करना है. एक्सट्रैक्ट ऑल. ओके, सो राइट क्लिक, extract all. Same way in exam also you need to extract file. Okay, got it? In exam directly you can download this file and you need to extract. Just 2 steps is required. Just download this file and extract, nothing else. But here you need to do everything. Okay. The next step is, what is next step? Here you can see HC300, right? This is your zip file. This is required. Okay. So you have to rename this thing. How to rename A7051? You have to do this way. HC300 is already there. What you have to do, rename. उसके बाद HC300 के बाद underscore A7051 लिखना है. Okay, A7051. Okay, in exam also, what you have to do in exam, just extract this file and rename these files. इसके अंदर जो भी zip file दिख रही है, you can see one zip file is there. If you are not able to see one zip file, then you have to download once again. Okay. पहले extract करना है, then from extracted file you can see one zip file. Got it my point? ये भी zip file है, इसके अंदर भी एक zip file है. What you have to do? First you have to extract this thing, and from extracted you have to download you can check this zip file. So this zip file is like a one step ahead. Okay, not directly you can find this zip file. Okay, once you will receive this zip file, just rename this zip file with your exam number. Okay, I will say to everything what is required thing. Okay, so let me open. Now this Explorer thing is done. Let me open Application Studio. In SQL, right? You have already completed SQL part in your third semester, right? There is a two option every time, right? First is for some programming. I mean, you can say some application is there, and second is for SQL. Okay. In MongoDB, in SQL, Oracle, if you download some software, every time a two type of platform is there, right? Just one for application and second for SQL, right? Direct SQL query you can run. Here you can manage with data like missing data or anything you can clear here. Like you can perform some cleaning experience, cleaning items here, and here you can perform SQL query. Same type of thing is here. So no worry. Okay, everything is very easy. Just need some practice, nothing else. What you have to do, just click here, three parallel line, file, open folder. Okay, so you will receive home user. Then you have to just type P. Whenever you will type P, you will receive some projects. Okay, so click projects. Okay, directly click OK. Okay, so now we are creating our project on Application Studio. Okay, and whatever we will do in project, you will receive everything in Database Explorer. Okay, you can see here data. Whatever you are doing here, you will directly check tables, database, everything here. Okay. See, this page you can say get started page. Kindly remember this thing, get started page. If this page is not visible, then how you will receive this page? So for that, you need to click here three parallel line, help, and get started. Okay, if get started page is not visible, then what is the procedure? Click on this three parallel line, help, and get started. Whenever you will click get started, directly this page will come. Okay, because this is required. Otherwise, how you will import something, right? So here you can see 3-4 thing. So first is a new project from template, then clone from Git. इससे भी clone करवा सकते हो. Third option is import. Fourth is a file and folder. So we will import our thing. So click here, import. Okay. And then don't choose this one. Just go to this file, extracted file. Just go to this and choose this one, whatever we have renamed. Okay. I have renamed this thing, right? So choose this, open. So what we are doing here, we are importing our data set. In exam, you will receive some another data set. So you have to import data set in your project. Okay. After that, you have to perform project task. Okay. Yes. So everything is visible on my screen. What we will do? See, this is showing in workspace. We don't want workspace. We want project. Okay. For that, what you have to perform? Click on this three parallel line, file, open folder. Second time you have to do same thing. File, open folder. Okay. Project will come directly because it's already project. Now you have to choose your project. Okay. Now you have to choose your project and click on this OK button. Okay. See, so now you can see here. Is it your exam? Sorry, this your project, right? This project is visible in front line, in main taskbar, main explorer. Your project should be visible this way. Otherwise, whatever you will perform, it will showing. It will go some another way, right? So your project should be in first line, first explorer line, in main sheet. I mean main explorer. Okay, here you can see HC300 A7051. This is my project. Okay, done. So this thing is required. It should be in first line, first row. Okay, now you can explore everything. DB, you can check DB also. CFG, okay, SRC. In SRC, you will receive some data. In exam also, you will receive some data because data is required, right? We will not create a data. They will give us data. So data you can see here. Then this is external data. Something is required for project. So no need to do anything here. Here you can see some models. Okay. First is the exercise. Second is the resources. Third is the solutions. Right. Exercise we will perform here. Okay. Resources is given here. And solutions are given here. Whatever you are performing here, solution is here. So if you stuck somewhere, to check some solutions, right? This is your practice system solutions. Okay, all are solutions. Okay, so whatever you want to create, just create an exercise file and solution you can find here. So if you face any difficulty, no need to call anyone, just find from here solutions because they have given everything. Okay. So for exercise, this is thing. Okay. So this is about Explorer. You can see, you can minimize this thing. How? Click here Explorer, click here Explorer, click here Explorer, Explorer. Okay. Done. Because sometimes if you want some more maximize screen, then you want to close this page, then you can close this way. Click here and second option, this file format, Explorer. Okay. Nice. Done. Now next thing. This four thing is required. नीचे देखो left side below. Okay, left side below. Outline, timeline, SAP HANA projects and quick access. So this SAP HANA project is required. Okay, if this option is not visible in your system, then how you will check? See here, in Explorer, these three dots is visible, right? Three dot, click this three dot, and you can uncheck or check this thing. If you want open editor, then you can check mark. Okay, if you don't want outline, then check mark here, timeline. If SAP HANA project is not visible, then click here, right click. I mean, just choose SAP HANA project. Otherwise, if it's not visible, otherwise you can see here. Okay, but if it's not visible, then just explore this thing. Okay, now you have to expand this HC300 A7051 DB. You have to extend. Here you can see database connection. Okay, in ODBC, JDBC, you already know how to connect data, right? Data set se connect to karna padega. So for this database connection, here you will see this bind option, green color, this button. Okay, when you will check mark your cursor, here you will see bind. So click here bind. Okay, so they will tell you bind to an HDI container. Okay, so yes, we will bind to our HDI container. See, if you choose another option, then it will your data will be go some another way, right? So choose this first one. Okay, and here they have mentioned some default service instance, so you have to choose this only, default this service. Okay, instance. So binding is complete. It will take some 2 seconds. Okay, and this type of this type of notification will come. So you have to click here, enable and do not ask again. You have to click here. Okay, see here, something is coming, right? Some lengthy syntax is right now here. Okay, something is mentioned, HDDB or something. Same way in second also, you have to click here bind. You can check here, a bind is visible. Green button, green flag. You have to click here. Click on this bind. Then first option, bind to the ext schema service. So yes, first option you have to choose. Okay, now see, this is also done. Okay, now two thing is done. So what is here they have mentioned HC300 H7051 DB. ये दिखना चाहिए DB. उसके बाद लिखा है pending deployment. Deployment is a pending. Okay, so you have to click here deploy button. See this aeroplane type symbol is here. So you have to deploy this thing. So everything you can find in your Explorer, right? Now connection is done from our end. Okay, I hope this is no any error or nothing, but still they have mentioned open this HDI container from here. Okay, because इधर दिख नहीं रहा है कुछ भी, तो क्या करना है? Just click here. Cylinder type database icon is here. Just choose here. This is HDI container. Open. So database explorer will open and you will see this HDI container here. ओके, आई थिंक आपको दिख रहा है, राइट? मेरे पास पहले यही था, ये वाला, राइट? अभी ये दिख रहा है आपको, कनेक्शन आ गया, राइट? This is connection part. So your connection is done. Whatever you will perform here, you will check from here. Okay, if column views, you create some columns, then you will see here. Okay, if you create some tables, then you can see here. Okay, table, task, views, anything like you are creating some remote data source, or you can creating some queue. So everything you can see here. Done. This is some problem is coming. I don't know what is this. Uh, Maybe this employee salary pruning is giving some error. Maybe some change happened. Okay. But this is from SAP solution, nothing from our end. So our thing is done from our side, right? So this is a solution problem, but we haven't checked that this solution, right? This they have mentioned what is the issue. There is some issue here in solution. Okay, but don't worry. Okay, done. No. In exam, you no need to download from GitHub. Directly, you can download from that portal only. Task PDF and like from where, like I'm saying here. In exam also, you will receive this type of page, right? Directly, group number also you can see. Okay. Then PDF, I mean your task PDF, exam task PDF, you can download from here. And data set you from download from here. Okay, so data set directly you can download from here, PDF task and your group number. Everything you can see from access page only. I hope now it's clear. Data set no need to download from GitHub. This is just for practice. Because in practice system, they have mentioned different way. So you can learn more, right? If you have a no data set, then how you will do with GitHub or any other options, right? So you can learn more. That's why they have created this different way. Clear? Up to now, clear? Whatever I was suggested. Okay. Once you will perform this all tasks, then you will receive some more idea. Okay. But right now, I am just telling to you this only. Okay. Because you can directly perform with my video. Otherwise, if you will share your screen and you will perform, then it will take time. Okay. But once you will done everything, then I mean, once I will complete this video, then automatically it will be easy for you. I hope it's clear. So up to now, task 2 is completed from exam side. First is the setup thing. Okay, how to open Explorer, how to open this application studio. This is your task number 1. See from here, this up to this from dummy, and you will receive this message, right? This up to now, task 1 is a complete, and up to this, task 2 is a complete. Okay. One more thing is required in task 2. Wait a minute. What is this thing? I'm I will share this PDF, so you will directly check how what is another step or everything, right? Yeah, HDA container done. See, so in your page, you will receive 2 things, SS1able and HDA container. I hope you can see here from here. Database, this is your SS1able and this is our HDA container. Okay, this is a SS1able, this is the main database and this is your database. I mean your connection. Okay, so You can rename also, but no need to do this thing because it will take time in your exam. So no need to this rename and everything. Don't do this thing. But this is required, okay? This is required. SS enable, you have to rename this way only. Otherwise, it will not, they will not consider your assessment. Okay. Now, once you will find everything, okay, the service connection is complete, then you will, you have to run this SQL line, Control C. Okay. Check, click here on catalog, okay, and then click on SQL, okay, and then copy paste here. And this phone number you have to replace with your group number. In exam also 7051, okay, and click here and run button. Okay, something is showing this way. Now open one more SQL console, okay, and paste this. Now we are calling this thing up to this one. I hope it will work. Here only I will paste, no issue. Okay. Control. I think it's complete. Oh, I have to replace this 7051, right? Nothing is coming. No issue because this we haven't to provide access role or anything. So for that we need to run the second line. Okay, what is the second line? This is your second line. Let me try. You have to replace role with this. Access role will be this 7051, and you will check. What is error? Okay. It's not working. Wait a minute, okay. Grant your role, okay, and this, and then, okay, second time you have to copy this. Call, you have to call this thing. Seven zero five one. Okay, so you will receive this thing, operation successful, the following grant statement has been executed. In exam also, you will receive this type of message. So now your task number 2 is a complete. Okay, exam task 1 and 2 is completed up to now. Now what is the task number 3 then? Okay, for task number 3, see, up to now, I have a mention in my PDF because these all are mechanical steps and every time you have to follow. Okay. After that, I have a mark here. Now start exercise from exercise book. Once your setup is done. Up to now, this is setup. So I have a mark here, setup. And once setup is complete, you need to do everything from practice this PDF. Create a simple dimension view, create a cube view, time dimension view, whatever. So let me create some view. One view I will create. Other thing you have to do. Okay. Okay. So you can see I have completed up to 27 page. Okay. Up to now I have completed 27 page of that PDF. Yes. Now create a simple dimension calculation view. ये थोड़ा hard है. So I am creating another one. Okay, these all are same only. So you can check for all. Like I am creating this cube calculation view. Okay. And directly I will go for a solution. Okay, solution 5, create a simple cube calculation view. Either steps mentioned hai, whatever I have explaining, it's everything mentioned here. Okay, so either likha hai. In the exploratory, right click the folder this db src exercise folder and choose a new file and enter this as a file name. So I am copy this file name, Control C. Okay, opening this, then application studio, because application studio is required. So here you can see, wait a minute, I'm okay. Okay, project name db. Okay, project name db src model exercise. Okay, in exercise you need to click right. ऐसे कुछ, then you will receive this paste type thing. You have to paste here. So this pop-up box will open, right? Exercise. Here you will receive some paste something. Click that paste and then new file. Okay, you have to create new file. So new file, Control V, exam name. That file name. Okay, no need to worry. If this thing will come, no need to worry. Try again. Click on this, try again. Because it's a stop automatically. That's why. But do everything in incognito mode. Okay. These all tab are open in incognito mode. Check once. Okay. Nothing is open in normal view. Otherwise, it's conflict with another learner's exercise. Okay. Even your practice system will conflict with your exam solution. Okay. So don't do this thing. Okay. Whenever you want to give exam, just remove practice system from that practice my learning. Okay. Remove your practice system because it will conflict otherwise. Okay. Let me check this. Okay. Wait. What you will receive? You will receive this type of table. These all are form filling, right? You have to just form fill. Data category put, sorry, label put cells, data category put cube, star join deselected, whatever mentioned here, you have to do same thing. I don't know why it's taking time. See, setup is a difficult, somewhat otherwise this form filling and everything is very easy. Okay. But take care of this space and everything. Okay, because they are checking with AI. Okay, if any more space is here, right, something like something this way, then it will give error and your marks will be reduced because of this thing. Okay, so everything whatever you are putting here, just put as it is mentioned. Like label should be cells, so you just copy, Control C. Okay, don't put extra space or nothing, right? Don't do this thing. Otherwise, maybe you will fail the exam because of if you completed everything still. Okay, don't mark any extra space or anything. Cells is required, right? Now data category should be cube, and star join should be deselected. So do same only. क्यूब है, स्टार जो डिसिलेक्टेड, इसको सिलेक्ट नहीं करना है, क्यूब रखना है, सेल्स रखना है, ये सब तो हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते. सो एज इट इज क्रिएट. दिस इज योर टास्क नंबर 3. Okay, exam task number 3. I hope you are very aware about this whole thing, right? In database, how to create a star join, cube join. Okay, but if you are not aware, then this is new for you. Okay, so let's see here, what is this thing? Join. Then here you can see what is this? Equi join, right? Then here, what is this? Union, minus, intersection, projection, aggregation. Okay, rank. If you want to put a data rank, right? Your data set will be in a rank format. Like cells, if higher cell, then rank 1. If lower than 1, then put a rank 2, 3, 4. This type of task is here. Okay, so you can see how to take this to this panel. So just पहले एक बार click करो, just click this first time and then drop. Okay, done. कैसे करना है? Then उसके बाद one more click. Done. Okay, फिर से जाने देना है तो ऐसे करके जाने दो. नो, डिलीट ही करना पड़ेगा. सॉरी, डिलीट करो. यस, डिलीट करो. Now you want rank, then click here first time, second time drag and drop. Okay, I hope it's clear. Now delete, because I don't want this thing. But you have to perform everything, okay, in exam. Now in aggregation, what they have mentioned, we have to follow same thing. They have mentioned in aggregation node, add the SNWD table from this data source. So ये copy कर लो, Control C. Okay, करते हैं, कैसे करते हैं? Plus, click on this plus mark. Otherwise, you can't add table. This is for add data source option. Okay, and this is details panel, and this is data source, add data source. Now you have to copy paste here SNWDSO. See, दिख रहा है? नहीं दिख रहा है. No data. But what you have to do, just unselect this local object. Unselect local object. Okay, and you will see two table, SNWD SO and SO1, but we will choose SO. Okay, and finish. So data set is added. Then data set is added. Now, if you want some join or anything, whatever, so you can do same way. Okay, now you can explore the expand panel. Automatically this page will open. If you are unable to see this page, then you can directly stretch this page directly. Okay, and here maximize view is here, right? So click on this maximize page. So automatically this page will come in maximize. Okay, now see the लिखा है, choose this expand panel. Alternatively, you can do this thing. Okay, then choose maximize panel. So I have a maximize this thing. Okay, and then what do you need to do next? Columns to the output. This column should be in output. Okay, so क्या करेंगे? Currency code, SOID, gross amount, net amount should be in output. So क्या करेंगे? देखो, currency code. Where is currency code? I think there is a currency code only, right? No, I am unable to check currency. Currency code is not visible.
Yeah, it's there, madam, on the top.
Where? Where?
Yeah, there. Yeah, just scroll up. Yes, yeah,
Okay,
there.
nice. Good. Okay, so you have to currency code, choose currency code, drop here. Okay, it will be easy. Otherwise, next option is what you can do, SOID, gross amount, net amount, right? So I am selecting multiple things simultaneously. Check SOID, then gross amount, just click on control button, right? And net amount, choose two thing, and then here is button, check, add to output, third one. First, add something, second, delete, third is the option, add to output. So just add to output. Directly you will see these 3-4 things. So no drag and drop required. Okay. You can make your exam very easy. Otherwise, this whole thing will take time in your exam. Right? Now this thing is done. Now what is next step? The columns are not ordered as specified in the above list, even if they were selected in this order, right? अगर ये ठीक से नहीं है, बट मुझे ऐसे ऑर्डर में ही चाहिए, ये सब कर सकते हो आप, राइट? आप अबव नीचे ऊपर नीचे कर सकते हो. करेंसी कोड SOID ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. कैसे करते हैं? Let me try. If you want SOID first, then click on SOID and click this triangle. Move up. Okay. If you want SOID below, then move down. Okay. So currency code, SOID, gross amount, net amount. Very childish thing is there. Okay. So you can enjoy this thing. Then what? Yeah. Now they have mentioned something. On the column tab, aggregation node, select currency code column and choose move up. Okay. ऐसा बोला है. Currency code को up करो. Okay. Then currency code को up करना पड़े. Yes, currency code is above only. Okay. Then second is alternately you can use cut paste method, cut paste button. This is especially useful when you need to move. Okay. So this also you can alternative method you can use. So currency code ascending, gross amount descending, right? This is done in the scenario semantic node. Okay. In the case sort thing, you can find in scenario box. Let me check. Just you can do this way. Okay. और semantic में जाना है. Now columns. Okay. In columns. Okay. Yeah, here you can find this option. Okay. ऐसे करना है. Okay. Okay. 1 minute. इसे थोड़ा छोटा मोटा कर सकते हो. ओके. इसमें लिखा है क्या करना है. क्लिक हियर, सिमेंटिक नोड में जाना है. वॉट एवर थिंग यू वांट टू डू you can do in semantic node. If you want some filter, if you want some input parameter, anything you can do in semantic, because वो ऊपर वाला नोड है. उसमें जो भी करोगे, whatever you will change something, it will automatically follow in below node. Okay, so you can directly do here. Okay, in here they have mentioned what they have mentioned. Currency code in ascending, gross amount in descending. Okay. Click here plus currency code in ascending. Okay, done. Plus one more. Gross amount in descending. Okay, got it my idea? Currency code in ascending, gross amount in descending, and click OK. So in result, you will see this way. Okay, after all, after completion in exam, they want this only. If currency code in ascending and you have put descending, then your marks will be reduced. Marks, you will lose your marks. Okay. Take a note. Okay, everything, whatever they have mentioned, do same. Don't change anything. Okay, so thing is done. हमने कर लिया. सी इधर लिखा हुआ है कैसे करते हैं. ऑन द कॉलम टेब सीमेंटिंग नोड, ये वाला बटन चूज करो, रिजल्ट सेट करो, प्लस एड करेंसी कोड, ग्रोस अमाउंट डिसेंडिंग एंड चूज ओके, डन. राइट नाउ इधर क्लिक करना है. ऑन द कॉलम टेब ऑफ सीमेंटिंग नोड, टाइप प्रॉपर्टी, you can check type property. Okay, view property or some. Okay, not, there is type property. Okay, wait a minute. Check the type property. If needed, change type property for column. Okay, type property is a column name. Okay, here. Type. Okay, if you want to, this is, see, here आप थोड़ा इधर जाके click करो. Mark as a attribute, mark as a measure. If you want to change attribute to measure, then what you have to do? Just choose this, then choose attribute. Yes. So measure is done, attribute, but gross amount should be in measure. So what you have to do? First click here, then choose measure. Yes. Okay, so these two thing in attribute, this is two in this way. Let me check once again. Okay, type property, mark as attribute. See, if needed to change type property for column, mark as attribute, mark as a measure. Everything is done. Now they may choose the deploy icon for CVC SLS simple calculation view in the console pane and choose deployment is successfully. Okay, let me choose. Let me check. Pro console here, इधर से करना है. Okay. सेल सिंपल, CVC सेल सिंपल डिप्लॉय करना है. इसको अब सेव करना है तो कर सकते हो. फाइल ऐसे सेव करना है तो सेव कर दो, ऐसा करके कुछ कुछ. ओके, ऐसा करना है तो कर सकते हो. अदरवाइज क्लिक हियर. एवरीथिंग इज डन. नाउ क्लिक हियर, डिप्लॉय. What we have did in this practicals, we have just mark 4 column as a output. First thing, a second thing is gross amount in descending, currency code in ascending. These two things we have did in these practicals. We want only these columns in a output, not all. That's why we did this in ascending, descending. So yes, my thing is done, complete. Now you can check in Database Explorer. Okay, इधर आप चेक कर सकते हो. कॉलम्स व्यूज, और उसमें क्या टेबल नेम था? CVC सेल सिंपल. कंट्रोल C, कंट्रोल V. Okay, see, this is sales simple and this is sales simple 00. This is sales simple 00 is your main output. Okay, correct output. Don't choose this because you have created this and this is your actual output, actual column, actual table. Okay, so don't do this, don't check this. This you have to check. CVC sales simple. And the second one is your actual output. So you can check with the actual output. Okay, once you will deploy the thing. Now, how to check? Open data. Right click, open data. Here you can see analysis. You can also do analysis like currency code you can put here, SOID put here. Okay, and if you want some table or row or something, charts, then you can create charts, everything. But this thing is not needed in exam, so no need to do this thing. Just remove raw data. Check once. Okay, currency code is output, SOID is output, gross amount and net amount. 4 thing. Okay, let me check actual output. Let me check. सिंपल 0 ऑलवेज है ना, ऐसे लिखा होगा _00. दिस इज योर एक्चुअल सॉल्यूशन एवरीवेयर. Okay, if this type of thing is visible, then this is your actual solution. They also given open data. I hope my answer will be same. Okay, raw data. Yeah, nice. Okay, currency code, SOID, gross amount, and net amount. Let me check one more time. Okay, here you can see 3727290 value, and here also you can say 3727290. Okay, right. Okay, so my answer and your and SAP answer both are same. My answer is this and SAP answer is this. If both will be same, then you will receive 10 marks or something. Got it? Okay, so one task I have completed. Same way you can complete 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 task. Okay, check this. See, either be likha hai simple open data and everything, right? This 12 option, what I have completed. So this is done. Now exercise number 6. So you have to create exercise from this solution. Okay, direct go to that solution and perform whatever I have mentioned. Perform this way. Okay, read this thing and perform. Complete. I hope you have got some idea. Right, because exam is a very easy, but this thing is required. You need to practice. You have to practice more, nothing else. Let me share exam PDF once. What is exam? What is in exam? You will receive. Yeah, this is. This is your exam PDF. Okay, this is my exam PDF because I have given exam. Okay, so I have downloaded this PDF and maybe this PDF you can use. Okay, now. Okay, so this 10 tasks you have to perform in exam. Task 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. First task is a modeling environment, application studio and explorer. First task. Second task will be deploy modeling project. I mean dataset import part, deploying part, dataset import part. So import dataset, task number 2. Task number 3 is a dimension calculation view, which I have created, right? Something. Then task number 4 is cube view, cube with star join calculation view. Fifth one is a rank data. Sixth one this. Seventh one is this. Eighth one is a smart data access, remote access. 9 is a virtual table. 10 is this. Okay. Here they have mentioned instruction. If your group number is a 2, and if required 4-digit number, then replace 0002. If your group number is a 2 and admin requires 02, then put this. Okay. So this thing they have mentioned. Okay, in exam, they have mentioned this thing. Okay, now critical information, ये आप पढ़ लेना. See, इधर डायरेक्ट लाइन लिखा हुआ है. Avoid access to any other practice system during the assessment in any other browser session, including incognito. Incognito में भी कुछ भी open नहीं होना चाहिए. Otherwise, it will conflict with your exam, your practice system. Okay, practice system open नहीं होना चाहिए कहीं पे भी. Then task number 1. See, I have replaced this dev space, like I have created dev space, right? So this thing is mentioned here. Native application choose, perform tools extension, then cloud foundry thing. Okay, then this thing, right, identity provider, but you can see this identity is a different from practice system. Practice system is identity started from C, but here you can see this is started from A. Okay, so identity provider is a different. HANA Explorer, how to open HANA Explorer, this thing is given here. Okay, then this, I have created that table, right? SAP HANA database and everything I have created. This same thing you have to create here, host name, port name, and everything. And then you have to run this SAP query, SQL current user from dummy. Okay, so this you have to do. This is your task 1. Now task number 2, import project. So in exam, you will receive this exam zip file folder. Okay, so you have to extract this folder. Everything is mentioned here. Now, just bind thing. So here they have mentioned binding part. Okay, उसके बाद ऐसे सोनेबल और ये लाइन रन करना है. Okay, and you will receive successful message. So I have already shown to you, right? Successful message. So everything is done. So task number 2 is completed. Now task number 3, create a dimension calculation view. So you have to create a dimension calculation view. File name should be this. View name should be this, label name should be this, category dimension, type standard, and you have to add this to table and you have to put some join operation here. Okay. But this is exam task, so obviously you need to perform practice system. Otherwise, this will be very difficult at the exam time. Okay, this everything is very easy otherwise. See, employee client to join this client, address client to join this. Okay. And this should be in column, this should be in output column C. Output should be including these columns. So A डालो, SNW से A डालो, calculative view से A डालो. Okay. Same way task 4. Okay. Some star join calculation view. This you have to create. Okay. You have to create from practice system. What is practice system? This. Okay. Everything is here. Let me check where is the stars calculation view and everything. Here practice system. Okay. Create a cube with star join calculation view. This is exercise and even solution also given. But this is for another data set. And for exam also another data set will come. Okay. Create a cube with star join calculation view. You can create this way. How to create? One more thing I am doing just for your reference. Okay. This is last task we will do. Okay. Exercise, paste, new file, right click, enter. Okay, so new calculation view is coming. Okay, then fill the form. Data category should be cube and star join selected. Okay, let me try. I hope it's now you got some idea, right? Label should be, what is the label? Label is this purchase order. Copy same as it is, purchase order, Control C. Control V. Control V. Okay, this label is extra thing, so I'm removing. Purchase order is a thing. Data category should be cube. Okay, and star join selected. So let me select star join. Okay, this way, star join selected. Create. Okay, star join मिल गया है. Now perform next thing. Add a join node. Okay. See, ये task है. ये पूरा थोड़ा दिख रहा है ना, ये टास्क ए बी से स्टार्ट करना, ABCDE ये करना है हमें ऑलवेज. Okay, this is just definition everything. You can do from here. In the scenario pane, add a join node below the create join, okay, node from palette. Okay, so palette से join node लेना है. Let me do join node. Here you can see join. चलो ले लेते हैं, इधर डालो. Done. Join node आ गया. Now next steps. What is second steps? Click on the plus sign and choose this SNWDPO. Control C. Let me do plus sign. Paste here SNWDPO. See, PO and POI. I think they tell us choose both. Select two tables. Okay. So let me select two tables. This table, this table. Whatever required they have given. Okay. So no need to worry about this thing because it's everything is mentioned in your zip file. Okay. Because we are importing here zip file. So data sources, everything is here. But we need to perform this thing. Now, what they have mentioned second thing? Here, ABCD से start करो. ये मत पढ़ो. ये ज़्यादा पढ़ने का हो जाएगा. ये से start करो. In detail print SNWDPO client to the SNWDPO client field, POI client field. ऐसे करना है, ऐसा बोल रहे हो. तो let me do. Details pane open करो. Where is the details pane? Here. This above, below, some point dot something is showing, right? This is detail panes. So क्या करना है? SNWDPO client से join this client. Okay, done. Nice thing. Okay, next what they have mentioned, you need to do same. SNWDPO node key to POI parent key. Node key to parent key. Don't do node key to node key. Okay, parent key. They have mentioned clearly. Check once. Here ये जो प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है ना स्टूडेंट को, वो भी लिखा है. फॉर द सेकेंड कंटेनर मेक श्योर दैट यू एक्चुअली ज्वाइन द पेरेंट की टू नोड की, नॉट पेरेंट की टू पेरेंट. ओके, parent key to node key to parent key. Don't choose this only. SNW node key to parent key. Let me do one. Node key to parent key. Okay, now they have mentioned another thing. Join type should be referential join. You know already what is a referential join, right? Join type is a referential join and cardinality should be 1 to n, right? 1 to many, I mean. So let me open this properties big way. Join type should be referential and cardinality is a 1 to n. So choose 1 to n. Okay, done, complete. Then they have mentioned optionally click propose cardinality. You can also click propose cardinality here. Here, this is propose cardinality button. Okay, this is optional. But they also mentioned, do you want to use proportional cardinality? Proportional, उसका proposal है. क्या proposal है? SAP proposal. Proposal is you can choose 1 to n. If you have choose m to n, then it will propose 1 to n. Just choose 1 to n. So we will do this thing. Okay, because they are mentioning, then why we will not use this functionality? Okay, in exam also you can use this proportional cardinality button. Okay, now मैपिंग टेब ओपन करना है ज्वाइन में से. लेट मी ओपन मैपिंग टेब. ओके, ओके, और इसमें लिखा है SNW PO से क्लाइंट POID एंड पार्टनर गाइड. PO से लेना है क्लाइंट POID एंड पार्टनर गाइड. लेट मी चूज वन क्लाइंट POID and partner guide. Okay, and click here client POID partner guide. Now second thing is SY POI से PO item product guide currency code. PO item देखो इधर टेबल नंबर 2. Okay, PO item. What is next? Product guide. What is next? Currency code. What is next? Gross amount. Tax net amount. Net amount. Let me done. Okay, everything's done. No drag and drop required. Do this way. Now, add to output. Okay, done. हो गया. In the scenario pane, select the join one node and drag the star join node. Okay, क्या करना है? इसको थोड़ा छोटा करो. ये join node से ये arrow choose करना है. Arrow. In select star node. Okay, star node आने पे उसको छोड़ देना है. तो ऐसे join हो जाएगा. Join node to star join. So now star join is a join with this table. Okay. इधर लिखा in the scenario pane, select join one node and drag the arrow icon on star join node. So this thing is done. Now we need to add more table, CVD BP join and CVD PD. Okay, ये join करना है कैसे? इधर लिखा है. Right होता है स्टार join में add करना है. क्या add करना है? CVD BP and CVD PD. Let me. Okay, do plus sign. CVD BP. This thing I will do one time only. Okay. Next time you need to perform. I will not perform. So ये table choose करो BP2 because it's not visible. Another table not visible. BP2. Okay. So this BP2 is added. Now, sorry, BP join we need to add. Okay. Remove this thing. Okay. Remove. Yes. Okay. Plus sign. CVD BP. Before that, we need to create, but we have not created. So we will use answer table. Okay. Because otherwise, if we will create, then it will not show 0, 0 or something. Because we have to create first. But we have not created. That's why I am using this table. Finish. Okay. Now CVD PD. Add one more table, CVD PD. CVD PD. For this also, we need to add this one. First one. Okay. PD 00 because I have not created. Okay. They will make some this. Here some name is same only, right? So, okay, no need to. Here no need to click anything. Just put okay. This star join is complete. Wait. What is thing done? Okay. Okay, this thing is done. No issue. Now, इसमें ये name change करने का बोला है. Okay, how to change this name? So let me change this name from here. Choose this. Not here. Okay. Mapping is done. Job definition, mapping. Wait. This thing also we need to do. In the join definition, star join, drag the client from the join one data source to client of the CVD BP join. Okay, ये करना है. इधर कोई टेबल दिया है. No table. No issue. Let me do client from join one data source to client of CVD BP join. Let me do. Okay. Click here. Job definition. Where is join? ये रहा, देखा, ज्वाइन वन, 3 टेबल है अभी मेरे टास्क में. ज्वाइन वन. ओके. नाउ ज्वाइन वन क्लाइंट टू CVD BP क्लाइंट. ये रहा क्लाइंट. डन डन. ओके. नाउ पार्टनर गाइड टू node key. Let me do partner guide to node key. Okay, done. Now next, choose referential and N1. Choose proportionality referential and N1. ये नहीं आएगा अगर इस पे क्लिक नहीं करोगे तो. ओके, जस्ट क्लिक हियर, देन इट विल कम. Referential and N1. Okay, this is last task I'm doing. Don't worry, I will not take much time.
कहीं को लगाया ना, कुछ कहता के कहीं को लगाया, कहीं को सुनाया था. अरे
Okay. Next, what we need to do, client join one to client of calculation PD. Let me do one more thing. ये दिखा हुआ है तो हमें करना पड़ेगा client to PD client. Okay. Now second is product guide to node key. Product partner guide नहीं, product guide. Okay, product guide is a different thing. ये रहा. Product guide to node key. Okay, done. Now N1 referential. Choose referential N1. Okay, this is done. Now okay. Now everything done, right? Select the following columns from fact table and promote them to semantic node. Okay. ये टेबल से ये सब चाहिए, क्या क्या चाहिए देखो. POID, PO item, currency code, POID, PO item, currency code, gross amount, tax amount, net amount, tax amount. Okay, done. Okay, done. Mapping done. Now go to semantic. Okay, now they have mentioned another thing. This is thing is done. Column table of semantic node. Okay. Okay, let me. Columns tab from semantic node. उसमें choose करना है sed. Okay, sed वाला choose करना है. Now, what you need to do? What is this? BPID. Okay. You need to choose hidden here. Client node key should be hidden here also. Client node key should be hidden. And you need to choose alias name. You need to give alias name. Okay. So for BP के लिए client BP. Control C, client BP. इधर choose करो client BP. Okay. और इसके लिए करना है node की BP. Control C. Okay, node key BP. Why I am doing this thing? Because without practice, you can't clear exam. Okay, that's why I am doing with you. So before the exam, you need to perform all tasks. Otherwise, you can't clear the exam because this is not a easy exam. I hope you got some idea, right? But with practice, you can perform 100%. Okay, so this thing is hidden भी करना है और alias name change करना है. This thing is mentioned here. I hope now everything is done from my end. Okay, just I am saving this thing. Okay, here you can save this way. Okay, so everything is done. Now you need to deploy. Okay, here you can see sales PO HD items deployment. So just deploy this task. This task is done. Okay, deployment task is done. Now you can see this table in here, columns view. What is table name? CVC PO. CVCS PO. Yes, some another thing also mentioned, but no issue. You will receive CVC PO. I have created this, right? CVCS PO. Open data. Okay, entry data. So this thing I have completed. Let me check their output, their answer. This is my output. This is their output. Check. See, something is different coming, right? You can see here some 1-2 rows is coming differently. Okay. So if this thing will happen, then they will not give marks. Okay. So don't do anything. Just follow same step. Otherwise you will not receive marks. See, this my PO. My PO is something, 6th line is this. And their 5th line is this. Something they have removed. I don't know what they have removed. Okay. So this thing, check once. Otherwise you will fail in exam. Okay. For that they have did something this. Okay. Now nothing they have complete. This thing I have followed same as it is. I don't know why still something happened. Okay. So you check from your end what is, let me type PO2. Maybe PO2 will be correct. Okay. But PO2 is not working. Okay. This is only. But see what is the issue. Okay. The 6th line is coming in my something 5th. They have coming 5th line and my 6th line. Okay. So this is the issue, and you will not get marks for this type of exercise. Okay. So yes, this thing is complete from my end. If you have any doubt, query, you can ask me. Anyone? No need to write. No need to write. You need to perform. Yes. Yeah. Final submission के लिए दिखा देती हूँ मैं. Okay. सी ये टास्क पीडीएफ है. देखो ये मेरा एग्जाम का टास्क पीडीएफ है. ओके. सी ये पूरा दिखाया जो मैंने किया ना. बस टेबल चेंज है और कुछ नहीं है. टेबल चेंज है बस. Same for rank data. Practice for rank data also. If you practice everything and you ready this answer, then obviously you will get full marks. Okay. I will share this PDF also. my exam PDF, because exam will be same. I mean, this 10 tasks will be same, no change. Okay, so I will say this also. Practice this everything in your practice system, but practice system this will not work. Why? Because their identity provider is a different. So this is not in this identity provider. Okay, so this tag just be ready with these answers. So in the exam, you can directly perform, right? You can see here they have mentioned solution. So just what we are doing, just following solution. So I will give this PDFs. You just complete solution, because I am also don't know what is the correct solution. So I can't give you solution. Even this time you need to do everything. Okay. So this is SAP main proposal. Don't copy paste everything. Okay, you need to find solution for this task, all the task. I will not help in this. But if you face any difficulty in practice system, then definitely I will help you. Okay, but don't ask me answer of this PDF, because I also don't know. Okay. Task 7, 8, 9 and 10 complete, right? 10 task complete होने के बाद what you need to do, I also mentioned here practice task, complete something practice task here. And then here you can see this type of thing you will see. Access practice system, this you have completed. Now you need to confirm here, confirm completion. Once you will click on confirm completion, okay, here they may confirm completion of this exam attempt. Yes, I want to confirm, right? So click there. In here they have mentioned something like this usually take 15 minutes. So just wait for 15 minutes. Okay, just take your time here. Okay, पेंडिंग रिव्यू दिखा रहा है, जब तक ये कंप्लीट ना हो जाए तब तक कुछ मत करना. Maybe I have closed this page. Maybe this is also issue for failing. Okay, so don't close this page. After that, after 50 minutes, if anything is not coming, then go to my certification and then you will download your certification. Okay. So last you need to just do this confirm completion, nothing else. Okay. So see, this exam is 3 hours, but try to complete your task within 2.5 hours. Don't wait for 3 hours, because before the, don't submit at the moment, last moment. Don't submit, because last moment you will be failing. ओके किसी के पास 1 मिनट का टाइम है वो सबमिट कर रहा है तो वो फेल हो सकते हो आप, बिकॉज जब आप सबमिट करोगे तब तक वो 1 मिनट हो गया होगा. तो क्या होगा, वो बोलेंगे बी ऑन दी टाइम, योर टाइम लिमिट एक्सीड एंड यू फेल द एग्जाम. दिस टाइप ऑफ मैसेज विल कम, योर टाइम लिमिट एक्सीड. Okay, so don't do this thing. Just complete your task within 2.5 hours. Okay, all tasks you just complete within 2.5 hours. In less, last 30 minutes, you just deploy once more. Deploy all the tasks once more. Just click here, deploy. Okay, here in Application Studio, just deploy the whole task one more time if you want. Just task. Okay, just 2-3 tasks, whatever you completed, just deploy this thing and just submit. Okay, but everything you can do like before the 15 minute. Okay, don't do everything in last moment. I hope this is clear. I have given all the idea of exam. Okay, just go through my recording and complete the task. If any query, then ask me. I am stopping this recording.